How to fix Postscript print issues fast and easy. Lost connection to RipCore error. Postscript happens. Postscript is a deep graphics language. As many times as prints go right, there are plenty of situations that can cause a print to fail. Be freely creative, but when a Postscript error appears on screen or on a printout, first look up that error message through Google and you'll find plenty of information about it. When a file fails to print directly from a graphics application such as Adobe Illustrator or Corel Draw, it may cause a lost connection to RipCore error to appear on screen. AccuRIP will automatically reset. If the same print fails the second time, it is best to address this issue in the file. Here are some simple and effective tech tips. Start by printing a simple file such as a small square on a new page to prove all your systems are operating properly and that this issue is isolated to a single file. Next is a fast way to eliminate two potential Postscript issues. The first being page corruption, which can be common with those that use the same template over and over and non-Postscript approved fonts, of which there are many. In most cases, the issue is simple to resolve. Here's how. Select your entire image, choose copy, create a new page, then paste. Next, select your fonts, then convert them to graphic elements by choosing either create outlines or convert to curves. Print. This solves most of your Postscript print issues experienced by users. Freehand and you. Together, we got this.